Italian Navy frigate collided with fishing vessel off Sicily. Italian Navy frigate Federico Martinenger collided with, or contacted, Italian fishing vessel SOFIA FABIO during the night May 7 to 8, off western coast of Sicily, while being on training mission. Both frigate and fishing vessels said to sustain slight damages like scratches. Frigate escorted fishing vessel, which remained underway, to nearest port, Porto Empedocle. No injuries reported. Italian Navy frigate Federico Martinenger, FREMM-class, displacement 6,700 tons, complement 200, armament missiles, guns, torpedoes, helicopters, commissioned 2018. Fishing vessel SOFIA FABIO, MMSI 247,306,530, length 22 meters, flag Italy.